How to delete Gmail account. Let's get started. Launch your Google account. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the profile icon. Click on that. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account that you wanna delete. Click on the option Manage your Google account. Over here, you're gonna find different section. Click on the search icon given at the top. Now, over here, type in delete your Google account. Once that option appears, click on it. You will be prompted to enter your Google account's password. Type in that and click on next. All of these will be deleted. Your Gmail, YouTube, calendar, contacts. Check in for these options and then click on delete account, and just with that your account and its services will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Gmail account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.